We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the YunTuo LED Beanie with the light, a unisex USB rechargeable headlamp, winter knitted cap that has quickly become a standout accessory for anyone seeking hands-free illumination and warmth during the colder months. If you have this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The YunTuo LED Beanie is designed to address a common problem faced by those who spend time outdoors in low-light conditions: how to keep warm while having reliable hands-free lighting. This beanie integrates a powerful rechargeable LED headlamp directly into the front of a soft knitted cap, creating a product that is both practical and innovative. The LED module is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and making it a sustainable choice for repeated use. The cap itself is made from a soft, stretchy knit material that is comfortable to wear for extended periods and fits a wide range of head sizes due to its unisex, flexible design. Users consistently highlight the brightness of the LED light as one of the beanie's most impressive features. The light is described as very bright, easily illuminating the path ahead during night walks, jogs, or outdoor work. The beanie is praised for being much brighter than a typical headlamp, yet more comfortable, as the weight of the light is well distributed and does not cause discomfort or make the hat feel heavy. The LED module is easy to remove for charging, and it stays securely in place during use, even when the hat is shaken or subjected to movement. The charging process is straightforward, with a red indicator light showing when the unit is charging. This convenience makes it ideal for users who need a reliable light source without the hassle of constantly replacing batteries. The versatility of the YunTuo LED Beanie is another recurring theme in user feedback. It is frequently given as a gift, with recipients ranging from husbands and sons to friends and colleagues. The beanie is popular for a variety of activities, including fishing at night, working on cars, camping, jogging, walking dogs, delivering food, and even as part of a Halloween costume. Many reviewers mention how the beanie has become an essential part of their cold weather gear, providing both warmth and visibility in one package. The hat is lightweight yet warm, offering effective protection from the wind and cold. The knitted material is soft against the skin and does not irritate, even after hours of wear. Durability and build quality are also frequently mentioned. Despite its affordable price, the beanie does not feel cheaply made. The stitching is sturdy, the knit material holds up well to regular use, and the LED module is robust enough to withstand repeated removal and charging. Users appreciate that the hat can be washed easily by removing the light, allowing for convenient cleaning without damaging the electronics. The beanie's appearance is another plus, with a range of colors available that add a touch of style to functional winter wear. The calm blue and bright red options are especially popular, standing out from typical winter accessories. One of the most significant advantages of the YunTuo LED Beanie is its hands-free functionality. For those who need to work with both hands in low-light conditions, such as mechanics, campers, or delivery drivers, the beanie provides a practical solution that eliminates the need for handheld flashlights or awkward headlamps. The light's multiple settings allow users to adjust brightness according to their needs, whether they are navigating a dark trail or performing close-up tasks. The USB rechargeable feature is a major convenience, with users noting the cost and environmental benefits of avoiding disposable batteries. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. Some users note that the LED module can feel slightly bulky when the hat is worn for extended periods, though this does not typically cause discomfort. The beanie is not waterproof, so it is not suitable for use in heavy rain or wet conditions. Users recommend avoiding exposure to moisture to prevent damage to the electronic components. Battery life is generally considered adequate for most uses, but some reviewers express a desire for more detailed information about charging times and battery duration. Despite these minor issues, the overall consensus is overwhelmingly positive, with the beanie delivering excellent value for its price. The YunTuo LED Beanie is also praised for its thoughtful design. The light module is easy to remove for washing, and the hat retains its shape and softness after multiple washes. The beanie's fit is described as comfortable and accommodating, with enough stretch to fit larger heads without feeling tight. The lightweight construction ensures that the hat does not feel cumbersome, even with the LED module inserted. The beanie's warmth is sufficient for most winter conditions, making it a reliable choice for outdoor activities in cold weather. In terms of gifting, the YunTuo LED Beanie is frequently mentioned as a successful present for holidays, birthdays, and special occasions. Recipients are often pleasantly surprised by the combination of comfort, functionality, and brightness. The beanie is especially popular among outdoor enthusiasts, DIYers, and anyone who needs reliable lighting while keeping their hands free. The affordable price point makes it accessible for gift giving without sacrificing quality. The beanie's performance in real-world situations is consistently praised. Users report using it for night fishing, camping trips, evening dog walks, and even as a safety measure during nighttime commutes. The bright LED light enhances visibility, making it easier to navigate dark areas and increasing safety. The beanie's warmth and comfort make it a practical addition to winter wardrobes, and its stylish appearance ensures it can be worn in a variety of settings. For those concerned about maintenance, the beanie's removable light module makes cleaning simple. The hat can be washed as needed, ensuring it stays fresh and comfortable throughout the season. The durability of the knit material and the LED module ensures that the beanie can withstand regular use and washing without losing its shape or functionality. Overall, the YunTuo LED Beanie with the light is a highly recommended product for anyone seeking a combination of warmth, comfort, and hands-free illumination. Its bright, rechargeable LED light, comfortable fit, and durable construction make it a standout choice for outdoor activities, work, and everyday use during the colder months. While it is not suitable for wet conditions and the light module can feel slightly bulky during extended wear, these minor drawbacks are outweighed by the beanie's many advantages. The overwhelmingly positive reviews from users across the internet attest to its quality, value, and practicality. If you are looking for a thoughtful gift or practical addition to your winter gear, the YunTuo LED Beanie is an excellent choice. Its hands-free lighting, easy maintenance, and comfortable design make it a favorite among users of all ages. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. If you have experience with this beanie, please leave your review in the comments to help others make the best decision for their needs.